Hey everybody, it's Dr. Lee Sierra, and if you just saw my video a minute ago about June and what we're going to be talking about, the healthy swap this month, apparently there were some technical difficulties and the whole video wouldn't upload, so I thought I would just come and talk to you guys again about it. So this month we're going to be focusing on a healthy swap, so that means that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, number one, what kind of chemicals you might find in your home that you need to swap out, or you should try to start swapping out, because they can cause all kinds of different things, and that's what I'll be focusing on. I'll let you know what those chemicals and what they could cause. Maybe some of you will find this underlying cause of your asthma, or the underlying cause of one of the reasons you can't lose weight, or things like that. So a lot of chemicals that we have in our home, bringing back to the weight loss, are called obesogenic, and what they do is they actually cause us to store fat on our body. And the reason they do that in simplistic terms is because the chemicals or toxins get stuck in the fat cells, and then we don't have the ability to burn them off. So all month, I'm going to focus on different chemicals and different products that you might have in your home. And number one, what their chemical compound is that is dangerous. And then number two, what you can swap it out for. Oftentimes I get comments from patients or friends, how do you have time to make all this stuff? Or how do you have time to, research it all? So number one, I'm going to try to help you guys by doing some of the legwork and the research for you. And I'll let you know what I use, what I buy, what I make. And that's the other point. I don't make everything. I've tried to make some things and I love them, and I've tried to make some things and I hate them, and I use products that you can buy at the store or order online and things like that. So I'll walk you through that. One of the products I did try to make, just so you know, is sunscreen, which I talked about last week. And if you didn't see that video, go ahead and you can go back and watch it. But I made sunscreen, and it smelled great and it worked great. But my goodness, it was super time consuming and made a huge mess. And now I just don't have time to do that. It's much easier to buy healthy products. So that's what I generally do. So if you have chemicals or products in your home, or things that you have questions about the toxicity, feel free to comment below. Definitely like this video so I know that you're watching, and I can share some tips with you. But also comment or send me a message if you don't want to share it with everybody what you're looking for. Maybe you have questions about fluoride that could be in your toothpaste or drinking water. Maybe you have questions about a laundry detergent that actually works and doesn't, leave your clothes not clean and still not smelling good. Maybe you're wondering why I posted a couple weeks about dryer balls and why we use those instead of dryer sheets and so forth. So go ahead and comment or send me a message if there's stuff you want me to talk about. I have some things in mind, and then when we get to the end of the month, one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a live demo of some of the products that I do actually make. These are ones that are easy, that I like. I think that they work wonderful and are definitely worth the time to make. So that'll be towards the end of the month as we are approaching July, and I'll let you guys know the time for that so you can tune in, and then go ahead and just send me that message. And one of the other reasons why I was talking about that this month is, chemicals can cause not only some of the conditions that I was talking about before, but it can actually cause damage to your nervous system. The three ways that we get damage to the nervous system are from physical problems, chemical problems, and emotional problems. So this month we're going to talk about chemical problems and how it can affect the nervous system. As a chiropractor, that's what I'm a doctor of, is the nervous system. So we want to make sure that we're eliminating those chemicals. So if you're a patient, you're already, getting adjusted, and that's helping your nervous system, but this might be the next step for you. So again, I'm Dr. Sierra. I can't wait to see your comments, and stay tuned all month for information. Bye, guys.